Today we will be explaining lots of different topics about stars. The Sun is a star. It's the closest star to Earth. The Sun is in the center of the solar system. It has 8 planets orbiting it. Let's mention a bit more complex facts. The Sun is a medium-sized star with a diameter of 1.39 million kilometers. The Sun has a mass of 1.989 by 10 power 30 kilograms, making it about 330,000 times the mass of Earth. Some stars are much smaller than the Sun, while some other stars are much larger than the Sun. Some stars are larger than the Sun. For example, Spica, with a diameter of 7.8 times that of the Sun. But some stars are much smaller, like TRAPPIST-1, with only 0.12 times the diameter of the Sun. Of course, Spica isn't the largest known star. It is dwarf compared to other stars like Uis-Kuti, with a diameter of 1.7 thousand times that of the Sun. So, the Sun is not the largest star, but what is the color of the Sun? The main factor is temperature. Cold stars are red and hot stars are blue. Stars are classified into 7 main types according to their temperature: M, K, G, F, A, B, O. M-type stars have the lowest surface temperature of all stars. Most of them are dwarfs, but some of them are giants. While O-type stars are very huge, very hot, and very rare. They can shine hundreds of thousands of times brighter than the Sun. According to these classifications, the Sun is a G-type star. Stars are subclassified from 1 to 9. For example, B1 stars are hotter than B5 stars, but B5 stars are hotter than F3 stars. The subclassification of the Sun is a G2 star. Since the Sun is a G-type star, it's expected to be yellow or light yellow, but because it's a very hot G-type star, it is actually white. But the Sun is actually closer to being yellow than being blue, so the correct color is this one. But because of the effects of Earth's atmosphere, the Sun appears to be yellow in the sky. The surface temperature of the Sun is about 5,772 Kelvin. The Sun has a luminosity of about 3.846 by 10 power 26 watts. The closest star to the Sun is Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf M-type star. Its diameter is only 214,000 kilometers. Although the Sun is a medium-sized star, it's actually larger than most of the other stars. This is because small stars are much more common than large stars. For example, most of the stars are red dwarfs. Stars form out of a type of nebulae called molecular clouds. All stars produce their energy through nuclear fusion. In nuclear fusion, in the star's core, hydrogen is being fused into helium. When stars are burning hydrogen into helium, this state is called the main sequence. In this phase, the inwards force of gravity equals the outwards force of nuclear fusion. When stars run out of hydrogen, they expand and cool down, becoming red giants. Like red dwarfs, red giants are M-type stars, only M-type giant stars. Red giants eventually shed their outer layers and become white dwarfs. White dwarfs are the cores of dead stars. They are extremely dense. A white dwarf can have about the same size of the Earth but as much mass as the Sun. Very massive stars become red supergiants. These stars die as supernovae, leaving over either a black hole or a neutron star. Supernovae are extremely powerful explosions. They can shine up to billions of times the luminosity of the Sun. Stars are grouped together in galaxies. The galaxy where the Sun is called the Milky Way. Galaxies are so extremely large. For instance, the Milky Way galaxy is 100,000 light years wide. The Milky Way galaxy is part of the local galactic group. Although the Sun is a single star, lots of stars orbit each other in binary systems. Some stars are grouped together in clusters. For example, globular clusters contain tens of thousands to millions of stars. We will be talking about the night sky. 88 constellations are recognized as official constellations by the IAU. The brightest star in the night sky is Sirius. The second brightest star in the night sky is Canopus. The brightness of objects in the night sky is measured by the magnitude scale. Lower magnitudes are for brighter objects. In the magnitude scale, first magnitude stars, for example, are 2.5 times brighter than second magnitude stars. Some of the brightest stars in the night sky are Sirius, Canopus, Alpha Centauri, Arcturus, and Vega. Now, we've reached the end of the video. Bye, see you next time.